Chers représentants de l'EPFL, mesdames et messieurs, ladies and gentlemen, welcome in the amazing Canton of Vaud. Recently, I came across a quote I found relevant to my role as Minister of Economy. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Oh, it wasn't from a corporate strategy report, nor was it from a government meeting. These words were penned many, many years ago by Benjamin Franklin. And yet, their significance has only deepened. This principle that nurturing talent and fostering innovation generates the greatest returns embodies the very essence of the applied machine learning days. An event the Canton of Vaud is proud to support. What unites us here isn't just technology. It's a shared ambition to push boundaries, solve pressing challenges, and shape a future driven by intelligence, human and artificial. This morning, I will first highlight what makes our region one of Europe's most dynamic innovation ecosystems. Then, I will outline the specific ways in which the Canton supports AI-driven initiatives. Finally, I will demonstrate why Vaud's approach, built on trust, responsibility, and excellence, positions us as a key player in shaping the future of artificial intelligence. Let's begin. The Canton of Vaud has long been a hub for scientific advancement and business ambition. At the heart of this ecosystem stands the EPFL AI Center, a powerhouse of research with over 40 labs, 400 researchers, and 60 professors dedicated to AI. By the way, we are delighted by the recent appointment of Dr. Sami Benjo from Apple as a professor at EPFL, alongside Dr. Emmanuel Abbé. Ladies and gentlemen, in Vaud, hundreds of startups and scale-ups are actively developing solutions in AI, robotics, digital health, and cybersecurity. Last year alone, these ventures generated more than 8,000 jobs. However, we do recognize that startups and entrepreneurs need more than just ideas and ambition. That is why the Canton of Vaud has built a robust framework of incentives and assistance. Since 2022, we provide targeted funding and grants, having already allocated almost $1 million to AI startups. A crucial driver of this success is the Trust Valley, based at the SIGPA Unlimited Trust campus. The Trust Valley we are proud to support connects startups with investors and industry leaders. It also creates a collaborative environment where innovation can scale. To support advanced research and AI-driven enterprises, we have also invested $7.5 million in the Swiss Data Science Center. This partnership ensures that AI research benefits both the public and private sectors. Most importantly, companies will have access to this service to drive innovation and develop new AI-driven solutions. Ladies and gentlemen, beyond infrastructure and financial backing, we are committed to fostering other real-world applications of technologies across industries. For example, the Canton of Vaud actively supports the SEAL program, an alliance between the EPFL, the University of Applied Sciences in Business and Engineering, and the University of Lausanne. The SEAL programs funds collaborative projects dedicated to cybersecurity and digital trust. As another example of our support, the newly created Competence Center for Responsible Digital Technology. This new organization aims to assist Vaud-based companies in their responsible digital transition. On our side, it also makes Vaud a pioneer in ethical and sustainable AI development. As a third example, we are reshaping hospitality through the Resilient Tourism project, which uses big data to anticipate demand and improve resource management. This initiative benefits from a support from InnoSwiss, further demonstrating Switzerland's commitment to leveraging AI for economic resilience. Ladies and gentlemen, Switzerland may not compete with the United States and China in general purpose AI. But our strength lies in specialized, high-value and trustful, open and transparent AI applications. A key asset in this strategy is ALPS, the new Swiss supercomputer house at the Swiss National Supercomputing Center. With 1,000 cutting-edge GPUs, ALPS enables the development of transparent and open-source AI models. One prime example of this vision in action is Meditron, an AI model dedicated to digital health developed at the EPFL. Meditron shows Switzerland's ability to pioneer open and transparent AI, ensuring that machine learning solutions are accessible, ethical, and aligned with the principles of scientific integrity. Moreover, it underscores how Switzerland can develop AI solutions that are not only powerful, but also serve the greater good. So, ladies and gentlemen, my message to you today is very clear. You are looking for an ecosystem where your AI startup can not only grow, but also prosper, shine, and bloom. The Canton of Vaud is the best place to be. In our canton, you will find world-class research, a dynamic business environment, and a government that actively supports innovation. And above all, if there is one thing to remember here, I would say, if innovation takes a village, imagine what's possible when an entire canton stands behind you. Thank you for your attention.